Hello, hope you're doing well, guys. Guys, today we have one printer, brother. The model number is MFC-8910DW. I will today give a small tutorial about Wi-Fi connection. You can how to connect with the Wi-Fi network if you have an existing router, or if you want to enable Wi-Fi direct. So I will tell you the process. This is actually Wi-Fi printer, and it's a multi-function printer. About there is a fax also, scanner and copier. So guys, if you have a new printer, if you want to connect with your modem or in the network, so let me choose this menu. First of all, I will press menu. Okay, there are menu bar is appeared. Menu general setup, fax, copy, printer, USB direct, IF, print reports, and in the 7th number there is network. Press OK. Okay guys, in the network there is one first option is wired LAN. There are many options actually. First of all, we will see all these options. There are okay, 8th option, first of wired LAN, second is WLAN, third is Wi-Fi direct. Other email configuration with fax and scan to email, scan to FTP, scan to network. So if you have wired LAN connection, you want to connect with wire with the existing network, you can click here and you can configure it, your TCP IP port, Ethernet, wired status. You can, if TCP IP, go to option TCP IP, boot method, IP address, subnet mask, gateway. And it's manually network setting you can insert here. Okay, we will go to WLAN. Okay, WLAN. Here are also many options. If you want to connect with your router, click on setup wizard. Okay guys, setup wizard in WLAN. Okay, then let's keep searching SSID. Let's see, it will bring the networks. Okay, it's fine, found many networks. You should check your network. For example, if you have this network, this is my network, press 1 for yes. Selected access point support WPS. If your network support WPS, you have to press 1, otherwise you will press no for okay. Then it will ask the network key. My network key 1234 1234. Oh, I exited mistakenly. I want to raise the number. I will go back again to network, WLAN, setup wizard, let it search. If you have latest router, you can connect with WPS, otherwise just press on setup wizard and click press on no button, and then okay, this is my network. I will press 2 because I have no WPS. Then I will press my network key 1 2 3 4 2 3 4. Okay guys, I will press OK. Apply setting, yes. Okay, it's written here connecting WLAN. Okay, it's connected and it's now printing the report. Guys, I successfully connected with my router and it's printing automatically the report. You see what the WLAN report connection, okay, and here is network name and MAC address, etc. Now if you want to enable Wi-Fi direct, press back, go here. Okay, here I press back. Then the third option is Wi-Fi direct. Enable Wi-Fi direct. Wi-Fi direct, pin code, push button, manual, group owner, device info, status info. Click on manual, turn it on with OK button. Okay, other Wi-Fi will be disabled. Do you want to continue? Press OK. Now the Wi-Fi direct is enabled. 1 is saying 1 for OK, 2 for cancel. I will press 1. Okay, it's connecting. And now this method is asking to search manually. Okay, here we go. SSID, this is the name and this is the password. You can check on your mobile phone or laptop. You will find the network name direct DGMFC and the password is written actually here. So you can connect this to directly with your laptop without any router. I will press clear, cancel. Okay, press the cancel button. Well, this was the settings about network. So hope you understand the method. Wi-Fi direct, pin code, manual, group owner, device info. This device info, device name you can change, SSID, IP address, password, and then status info. You can check status is active, how many users are connected. It will show here how many users are connected. Okay guys, and this was the method. Hope you understand it. If you have any question regarding any brother printer or you have a problem to connection with the Wi-Fi, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your queries. Okay guys, take care, bye.